Hi everyone, welcome to My Creative Time's 149th edition release, and this release is a coffee theme and I'm just going to get started. So starting out, we have the epoxy stickers and their coffee bean. I have never seen anything like these, and these are adorable. Love them. Then we also have a coffee bean card stamp and dies. So the dies, it'll be 3 in the pack, shaped like a coffee bean. Love that. And it does fit in that 3x3 envelope as well. Or you can use even the holiday envelope. And then there goes the stamps there. Coffee bean card sentiments. And then we also have the coffee background 2025 embossing folder. Love this. Love that. It's so super cute to me. Then from the Perk You Up stamp and dies. So we have a 3-tier cup set. Have some little faces that you can pop in the inside of the cups or the sentiments as well. But it does fit in here or any of the sentiments. Or you can even make a face in there if you like. And then we also have the dies that coordinate with that. So like these 2 circle dies will cut out right in the center of these. But you would have to cut this out first and then stamp that on top. And then there's a background layer there. Really cute set. Love that. Then for the paper, her papers will now come separated, so there won't have any glue at the top, and I like that. Anyways, so we have the Brewed with Love 2025 papers. And let's go a little bit more in depth with the papers here. So we have this set here. And as you can tell, paper is green, yellow, and brown. I don't know if that's showing up black, but it is brown and white. And then on the back side, you have green, which is the same thing as that embossing folder. Really cute. Love that. And then this one, you have all several different kind of coffees there. And then it has a tan color on the back side. Love this one. This one is one that looks like a newspaper set. Really cute. And then there's blue on the back side of that one. So she gives you a lot of choices to use for your coffee themed products or projects. And this one is like the coffee splatter. So you have your circles, hearts, and splatter. And then that one's yellow. This one, you can use like anything to cut this out. You can fussy cut, or you can use tags to cut it out. And then this one, these go very well with your Stay Beautiful dies. You could use that little sentiment die to cut out your sentiments on here. Really nice. And then we have coffee bean paper. Oops, I didn't show you the back color of that one. There goes that color. It's kind of like a mauve color on the back side of that one. And then for this one, we have the coffee beans, and then it's like a brown, really like espresso brown on there. Really deep color. Really cute papers. Okay, and these are the additional items that I'm using. I'm going to try and go through relatively quickly because I use a lot. So I'm using this little teddy bear, which went with the hugs and kisses. I did fussy cut that out. Leaf plate die using this one here. Strawberry flower plate die using some of those. Stay Beautiful dies and stamps, and this is what I was talking about. I'm using these here. The flower leaf plate die using a few leaves from there. Holly plate die using the berries. 5x5 card die layers. I'm using a couple of those. Jar label dies. I'm only using this here. Assorted mini bow die using that. Rectangle frame dies using one of those, and then one of these from the rectangle frame die layers. And then also the scallop rosette die, I'm using the largest one. And then I am also using the square tag dies. I'm using 2 of those. Okay, here are the first 2 cards I created. So I am using this coffee bean card. I did look up how a coffee bean plant looks, and it's very similar leaves to this here, as well as red berries. So I thought I would do that, pop that on top of that card. Really cute. And there goes that sentiment, which is curved. I like that. Fits very well. And then there goes the inside. And then here goes the second card that I used, and I thought that little bear needed something behind it, so I threw some of those leaves back there, colored this up, used one of the epoxy stickers on there. It fit right over that stamped image perfectly, so I really like that. Adorable little bear, and then I just done the inside the same. And here goes the next set of cards that I made. Now I changed the color of the bean altogether. I think it's very cute, and it almost looks like a macaroon. So it's totally up to you what color you want to do your coffee beans in, but these are pink and teal. So I really like that. And then she also has cake, candles, and smiles. It's your birthday. So that fit perfectly on there. And like I said, it almost resembles a macaroon. So really cute. I did add some little berries in there from my stash, just for extra decorations. And then there goes those leaves. And I added the flowers, those strawberry flowers on there. Really pretty. Thanks so much, Christine. Once again, I think I use these every release now. So cute. I don't know what I'm going to do when I'm out. But anyways, and then there goes another one. And this one's a little pink hue. I did color both of them with some oxide ink, but not sure what the colors I use. And then I use some glitter paper in the inside. But like I said, kind of sort of resembles a macaron, but not quite. Still a nice color bean. Okay, and next up I thought I would make a rosette tag. Not too good with the rosettes. It's almost shaped in an oval, but I tried. I'm not the best at making rosettes, but I thought it still turned out really cute. There goes that little coffee cup I used. I did add another epoxy bean on there, and another one of those little strawberry flowers, and along with that leaf die. And I did heat emboss all of the stamped images as well. But I thought that was really cute. On the back side, this is how that looks, and I put on there, words cannot express how awesome you are. And so I thought that turned out really cute. Here's where I used that 5x5 card base. Thought this was just perfect, and the square tags cut that out perfect. And then there goes that image from these Stay Beautiful stamp and dies. Like I said, it cuts that out perfectly. And these are the papers that I use. I used this, and then I used the back of the, I want to say it's the coffee bean paper, the back side of that. And then I just got some papers out of my stash to coordinate with those colors. But so cute. And then there goes the inside of my card there. And here we go for my last card. I am using that Perk You Up stamp and dies. Adorable, adorable. I thought the faces just really make the card. Oh my gosh. The faces are adorable, and believe me, I'm going to try it on the gingerbreads too. So I love that. But anyways, I colored them up, and I also heat embossed the image. And so the eyes look a little shiny on there, if you can tell. And then I used my white gel pen to color up the eyes, and I added chalk for the cheeks. And then also added the little accents. I also used those coffee bean epoxy stickers on there, as well as that embossing folder. And the jar label dies was perfect for that sentiment. It looked like it was made for it. I love this. It's just adorable. I did finish off the inside there. Not too much going on, but it is finished. But I love this set. These are all the items that I made for you today. I hope you enjoyed them. I sure had fun making them. Especially that little coffee card here, just adorable. So I'll have all of the ladies' links down below, as well as a link to my Creative Time store, and my discount code is MOE, M-O-E, for 10% off your purchase. But if you wait till Friday, it's going to be 15% off on release weekends. All right, so, and also remember, get your shopping in early because it's a 2-day sale. So it's going to be Friday and Saturday only. And then Friday we do have our hop and giveaway for the next month. And then for the giveaway this time, it will be a $50 gift certificate. So I think that is about it. So this is the end of Sneaky Peek Day 1. Come back tomorrow for Sneaky Peek Day 2. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.